Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today marks the beginning of our hairband series. Throughout this month of May, we'll be looking at different styles and different designs of hairband with different material, ashoke, chiffon, tulle, different type of hairband that you can wear and you can make for your kids. So today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful hairband you are seeing on the mannequin. And if that is something you are interested in, kindly keep on watching and make sure you subscribe, you like, you share for more. So for the style of this hairband, we need our scissors, staple, our chiffon fabric, our Alice band. You can use the one that does not have anything on the body, and our glue gun, that is machine gun. So this our chiffon, the width is 5 inches and the length is 80 inches. So I have to join it. First of the length of the fabric is 60, so I join 20 to it to make it 80 inches. That is how long it is going to be, 80 inches. So now the next step is to take our chiffon. That sewing part that I join it will be the back, will be the wrong side, so this place will be the right side. So you fold it right side facing each other, then you stitch it down. So when I finish it, I'll show you. So here I finished stitching it down through the wrong side. So now I'm not going to turn it to the right side. I'm going to bring everything out. You can use your loop turner or you can use your cane, but it's easy to turn since the width is 5 inches. So what I did was I glued down the mouth of the fabric to the mannequin and to the Alice band rather. I don't know that part was not recording. I'm so sorry. So it's very easy. Just glue down the mouth. So now we start creating the design. So we'll be creating the design right hand and left hand. So you can see what I did in the right hand. I created loop with I created it to the right side. So you'll be creating loop right side and left side. So now I'll turn it to the left hand side. Is what I did in the right, I'm doing in the left hand side. So it's the same thing. You see, I form loop, then I pass the fabric underneath it to bring it out. Just this way. I'll bring it out to the right hand, as in you can bring it out to the left hand side, then you push it towards the right hand side for the next one. So basically what you just be doing is just one, when you do right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. That's the same process. That's all you will continue doing till you get to the end of the Alice band. It's a very easy process. Just watch. Even mere watching it alone, you can understand that I'm just doing the right side and the left hand side, just creating a loop and bringing out the fabric underneath it. It's a very easy peasy to band. It's not something that you do too much. So just watch and learn how I'm creating the style. So I'm doing the right, I'm doing the left, right, left, right, left, I will left, right, left, right, left. You start with the right first, then you continue that way. I don't make it to be too tight when you want to drag the fabric. Don't make it to be too tight. You can see the way I'm widening it. So I'm using the fabric to cover the black and color of the Alice band. So you can use white Alice band, or you can remove the fabric on the Alice band and use the Alice band with the plastic alone without any fabric on it. But I was just like, even the fabric will add volume to the style, so to make it a bit high. So that's why I just leave the fabric. So you continue doing that step till you get to the end of the Alice band. You just continue basically doing the same thing. There is no other step than this one till you get to the end of the Alice band. That first part, the beginning that I did not show, that my phone did not record. So when I want to finish this side, I will use that opportunity to explain what I did from the beginning, as in how I glue down the fabric to the Alice band before I started. So it's just basically the same thing. You continue doing all over and over again till you get to the end of the Alice band. So now I'm almost at the end of the Alice band. I'm almost through. You can see it's basically me doing everything and using my hand to. So now I use my hand to straighten everything out, to drag it. Don't try it to not be too tight or too bulky on the Alice band. So I can still create one more. I'm just widening it and spreading it out to see if I can still create one more or it does not need. Then I push everything. The Alice band has the front part and the back. When I finish creating it, this is the front, this is the back. You can see you push that loop to the front. That loop is the design we are going for. So you push it to the front. So the back is what will give the dragging effect. So this is how. So I think I can still make one more before I glue it down. So I make the last one before I glue it down to the Alice band. So this is just basically what I did from the beginning of this side. So I just glue it down. So I put Alice and this thing. I'm waiting for my glue gun to get hot. So every side that is showing black, that the Alice band is showing, I'm going to put glue gun to and glue it down. Like this side, I'll glue it down so that everywhere will be covered with the fabric only. It's only the fabric that will see you. Not every side that is showing black color, you glue it down. So now this step is just to glue down the handle. So that is the final step. So I just put my glue gun, I put my candle on the Alice band, just the way you see me do. Then the center where I sew, that's where I put at the center. Then I place it on it and I put the glue gun inside of the Alice band, so I'll be able to glue it down too. So I glue the first part. Just see, it's self-explanatory. So I glue the first part, then I put more this glue gun, the candle gun, then I glue down the second part just to cover it up. You can see, easy peasy, so that everything will be neat. Very, very easy, simple step. So now the next step is all those places that the Alice band is showing that the fabric is not covering. I'm going to put glue gun and use the fabric to glue it down so that everything will be neat. Glue everything down. You see this part too? I'm going to glue it down. If you have watched to this point, kindly make sure you subscribe, you click the like button, you share, leave a comment, and if you have any hairband style you want me to add to this series, you can send it to the number on the screen. That's my WhatsApp number. Any hairband style that maybe you like it and you want to make it for yourself and you don't know how to, you can send it to me. I'm going to try on my possible best to illustrate the way they make it for you guys. So guys, please make sure you subscribe and comment. Let me know that you guys are saying are enjoying my tutorial. If there's anything you want me to improve on, tell me in the comment section, or you can send me a message on my WhatsApp number showing on the screen. Send me a message, anything you want me to improve on, to work on, any style you want me to make tutorials on, you can send anything to me. I'll definitely work on it and I will do it just the way you want me to do it. So here is the finished look of our Alice band. You can see it's very, very simple. It's a very, very simple style of hairband. Very simple. Not something that is stressful at all. So this is what it's looking like on the mannequin. You can see, easy peasy. You can make it for yourself and for your cakes. So this is the end of our tutorial for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Like I said earlier, subscribe, give a thumbs up, share, comment. Thank you so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.